Bremer Bay.
Bremer Bay.
Yeah.
So we have come in from our free camp just out of Bremer Bay. There was a gravel pit, didn't really film that much, but we have dumped the caravan right down near the beach here. We're planning on getting a coffee.
And go and explore.
Yep, go have a drive around. The flies haven't changed at all.
Awful.
But anyway, we'll get in with this. There's Orca's little coffee shop just over here. Get a cuppa.
Excited.
And head down the beach. Bremer Bay is renowned for their beautiful beaches, so that's why we have dumped the caravan. And we're going to go down the beach. That's Bremer Bay. Absolutely beautiful. Thoughts?
Can't get over all of the beaches. Like, they're all amazing, aren't they?
They're all stunning down this way. Let's jump in the car, and go for a drive down the beach. Try and get out of these flies because they're crawling in my mouth. So beautiful art mural as well. And the showers on the surfboards, that's a pretty cool idea. We're going to do the dive trail. Dive trail.
What's that? See why?
Situated at Little Boat Harbour.
What is it though?
You go diving.
I can't even dive into a pool.
And we have noticed as well on the caravan,
Honestly, the water's lasted like 2 days and we haven't even used that much, have we?
no. So we got a small leak.
Looks small, but obviously over the day, that'll be a lot of water coming out there.
Yep. So I think Albany, we're going to have to dump all the water and I guess fix that up. It is the point where you dump all the water from that's leaking, so hopefully it's not too bad of a fix or problem. But that's Albany's problem, isn't it?
Sounds like a Jack problem.
Yeah, it's a me problem when we get to Albany. But let's get down the beach and have a look. So by the looks of it, on every map that we've looked at, there is a little crossing here, but unfortunately doesn't look like it's in use. Not too sure if it's because of high tide, low tides, that sort of thing, but doesn't look like we're going to be getting across there. There is tracks over there, so there might be another little track across there further up, but I guess we'll see how we go there. Oh, there is a pelican right up there. I don't know if you can see that, right in the middle. But this is beautiful water, even without the polarised sunnies on. Beautiful blue water. Well, there goes the pelican. So we have come up a hill following a lookout sign. I think we've gone the wrong way, but we've stumbled across. It's huge, isn't it? A huge.
How do they let you this close?
Yeah, it's weird that they do let you this close. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera there. But there is a sign here as well, so I'm guessing we're allowed up here. 46 metre wind turbine, length of blades 22 metres. Oh, hear that?
Yeah.
1.3 megawatt low load diesel power station, a 600 kilowatt wind turbine. So it's 600 kilowatt wind turbine. The wind turbine provides on average 40% of the town's electricity.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Nearly half.
Yeah. 370,000 litres of diesel fuel savings. So here it is, the lookout tower. Nothing special as a tower, but a beautiful viewing point of the whole of Bremer Bay here. Small little town with that beautiful beach there, which almost rivals somewhere in Queensland.
Yes, the Sunday.
Whitsundays, you reckon? Almost. God, you can hear that thing from here, can't you? Yeah.
Going pretty fast. How often do they get these checked?
You'd hope they get checked pretty regularly. Very regularly.
Yeah,
Anyway, a good little lookout. We'll keep on moving, eh?
yeah.
Get out of this wind. The wind is starting to pick up, which is a bit of a pain. And I want to try and have a swim, so let's do it. So loads of different beaches out here in Bremer Bay, and we're just going to stop at a couple of them because they are all absolutely beautiful. But this first one, Short Beach. Not too sure what to say about it. Beautiful beach. A couple of blokes surfing out there.
Oh, look at the bottle brushes. They're huge. They are bottle brushes.
I think so, yeah. They're on the silo. A couple of episodes ago. Ravensthorpe, yeah. Can't get over the colour of the water. It's bloody incredible, isn't it? So a little bit rough, this one. Probably a bit of a surf spot, and I did read that it is a bit of a fishing spot. So we'll keep on going. Try and find a nice little calm beach.
Squeaky sand, like they said.
Yeah. Nice, isn't it?
It's weird.
So this is probably the best beach that we've seen so far. Little Boat Harbour Beach. There's a little bit of wind, but a beautiful beach. Absolutely stunning, and a dive trail as well, or snorkel trail, which I'm still trying to pluck up the courage to go in the water as it's freezing. But this is stunning, this one. So we've come to another little lookout, which lookouts and little beaches seem to be dotted all around here, as well as, you can see right up there, I'm going to say $1 million holiday homes, just seem to be scattered everywhere. But this is a surfing beach, native dog beach. This is a haunt for dingoes. See any dingoes? No. How's that? That's a beautiful little beach as well, isn't it?
Quite rough, though.
It is a surf beach.
Yeah.
It seems like everywhere we turn, there's another beautiful little hidden beach. Look at a holiday house up there. Go, there's mullet right there. So we've come back to the main beach simply because it's the calmest, and I think it's going to be the best photo opportunity. You want photos? And a bit of a devastating twist. As soon as we got here, we had a car rip out of nowhere on the other side there. Bit of a bugger because I wanted to get across there, but by the looks of it, the way across there is a bit of a drive and a bit of a hike. So we're going to try and get across there somehow. I might have to dink you. Ah, look down there. I think that's going to be the spot. Beats all these rocks.
So deep.
Does look a bit deep. I might have to chuck you on my shoulders.
Deep.
How cold is it?
See how far you go in first.
Cold?
What?
It might be a bit better down here. Wish us luck trying to cross this. Right, you on? Let's go. I'm making the charge.
I'm gonna fall.
Nah, you'll be right.
No, I'm not.
I tell you you're heavy. Oh, it's freezing.
Hey, I'm gonna go in there.
You'll be right, got this.
Oh, my bum's nearly in. Your phone's nearly in.
We're through, I think.
Are we through?
Yep. We're going back up.
I'm gonna fall! You need to chuck me up again.
Alright, down.
Down?
Yep.
I'm not that...
Oh, you're trying to choke me. You made it. Good luck getting back because I ain't lifting you. We're on the other side. And I think in there, Soph, that's where you should be paddleboarding, like old mate. Nice and flat, calm. Right, let's do it, eh?
I'm scared.
Get back across to the other side and then get on out of here at Bremer Bay. Beautiful little stop. Probably one of my favourites so far. Yeah? Stunning beaches, I'll give it that. Absolutely stunning beaches. Let's see if we can get across somehow. This is the spot. I reckon this is the spot. Righto, get on. My ass is wet.
Oh my God. Have you got this?
Yep, you got that? Let's do it. Don't drop my phone or the keys.
They're in my bra. That's really deep.
Oh, it's plumb deep.
You got this? Because I'm nearly in. I'm in. So lucky that you put that phone, the keys in my bra, by the way, because my bottom half is.
We got through. I might as well jump in now. I'm fully soaked. Righto, we're all hooked up, ready to go. Get out of Bremer Bay. We're not staying in Bremer Bay simply because there's no free camp. We can't even really find drinking water here. Beautiful spot, absolutely stunning spot, but there's just no free camp, no camping areas. So we're moving on and finding a free camp tonight and then into Albany over the next couple of nights. So we sort of spent our, I guess, accommodation budget in Albany for a couple of nights there. But anyway, let's get out of Bremer Bay. It's 2:30 now, so
5 o'clock.
yeah, we'll probably get to camp by 5ish. A nice free camp.
Hopefully.
But I will say Bremer Bay is probably one of my favourite places so far. Yeah, I'd say in Australia.
It's a big call.
It is a big call.
It's a very big call.
It's a beautiful spot and it rivals, what did you say before?
Whitsundays.
Whitsundays, yep, just without the people. Anyway, let's get on the road, get out of here, try and eat some of these snacks we got from Ravensthorpe. Let's do it. So we have found a little free water stop. But we are trying to be quick because the rain is coming in very quickly. But this is around 100 k's out of Albany, something like that. I think it's about halfway between Bremer Bay and Albany. A small little community, Wellstead. community resource centre. They've got a little cafe, playground, toilet, and a campground, I believe, just over there. I think it is around $10. But we're just making use of the drinking water and filling up, well, our water, so we're gonna have a shower tonight. We won't fill it the whole way because we are gonna be dumping it. Try and save water, save wasting water. But let's get this done before this rain comes in. Looks like it's gonna be a windy old wet night for us. I reckon I'm gonna be getting wet here. Here it comes. And Sosha's stuck in the van. So it's just started raining now. I've just jumped in and Sosha's stuck in the caravan. So she's gonna have to get out into the rain to get back into the car, and I bet you she's not gonna be happy one bit.
Did you want me to see your water bottle quick?
No, I didn't.
My head.
What's wrong with your head?
Everything.
You good? Did you get wet? Well, that was a quick little stop here. You didn't know that was on, did you? But Wellstead, a quick little stop, pretty much for water. We're going to keep on moving and try and get to a free camp, which is only bugger all out of Albany, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing else we can really do in this weather. So you might as well get as close as we can to the closest free camp.
Oh. It's so cold, isn't it?
Righto, here we are, we're in camp, a free camp. It is King River
Rest area.
King River Rest Area. It is nothing special. I'll actually jump outside and show you around, but they do use this as a, I guess, dump and leave your caravan here and do day trips into Albany. We're not going to be doing that because we're because we are booked into a caravan park in Albany for 3 nights. So 3 nights? 2 nights? 3 nights. So yeah, we're not going to do that. We're just going to stay the night here, quick and easy. Tomorrow we've got washing and
stuff to do. I think the weather's rubbish tomorrow, so I want to like get stuff done and then we make the most of the weekend.
Yep, and make most of that caravan park as well. But I'll jump out, show you a quick look around this little rest area. Ooh. And it is cold as well, starting to get really cold. But this is it, nothing special. And a big Telstra tower there. But like I say, they do dump caravans here, they do lock them up and leave them for the day. But we're having a nice easy night. What do you got out for dinner here? Mushy peas.
Yeah, fish, homemade chips.
Yep, we got sweet potato, haven't we?
You got sweet potato, I've got this.
Beautiful.
Okay.
So mushy peas, if no one's ever seen them, they're English, aren't they?
Yes.
It's literally peas that have just been pre-mushed.
So good, guys. Taste them. They're quite expensive because they're in the English section in Coles or Woolies, but they're so good. Have we got an opener?
Yep.
Good.
Yep. Righto, so yeah, nice and easy dinner. Fish and chips. For you, I got squid and chips. Beautiful. All in the air fryer. Happy days.
Happy. Oh, traditional fish chips and mushy peas.
Barramundi, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. And that is the mushy peas.
They're so good.
Mine's still coming. That's the, I guess, the air fryer way, isn't it? You can't really cook everything at once. You sort of got to, that looks
Juggle.
good, that.
What?
Just the whole plate looks good.
Does, doesn't it? Yeah.
Righto, we'll pick this up in the morning, heading into Albany and doing our little chores, aren't we? Washing and just doing what we do. Righto, it's the morning and we're all packed up, ready to go. We're heading into Albany today. Like I said last night, we've got a couple of little things to do. Washing, your favourite?
Not my favourite.
Some shopping, just, yeah, little bits and pieces to do. And it is pretty miserable out there. It's raining, it's just nice and grey. So we'll get into Albany.
Get all them jobs done today, and
Yep.
then we can relax for the weekend.
Yep. But we are booked in to a caravan park tonight in Albany for 3 nights. Probably already said that. 2 o'clock check-in.
12 o'clock check-in.
12 o'clock check-in. Beautiful. But we didn't take into consideration the batteries as well. We've got an unpowered site.
Wonder who's for.
They had a powered site for 1 night, did they? Or
No, so they only had a powered site for tomorrow night and the next night, so we'd have to move tomorrow from
Yep.
an unpowered to powered. So.
Yep, and being us, we used a lot of the power last night with the air fryer, the microwaves.
And I washed my hair and everything as well. So.
Yep, she's got the dryer going. So we're down to about 40%, and it's cloudy, so the solar's going to be working pretty hard. But I guess we'll play it by ear. Might be a
It's sunny tomorrow, so
yeah,
we just gotta
juggle our power again.
be right.
Anyway, let's get into Albany. I'm lost. Albany, get a cuppa, your favourite, and do some washing. So another little job we've got while Sasha's in there doing the washing is just dump all this water and then try and take this hose off. How you going?
Yeah, good.
This is fancy, isn't it?
Very pricey.
Pricey. $13.
Per machine.
Jeez, $13 per machine here. And is this the only washing place?
No.
Alright. It's just, I guess, the easiest one, first one we found, but is that just for a wash, no dry? Wow. Well, here's hoping that's going to fix it. I guess we'll keep an eye on that and fill it full of water. But that's one job done. Now I'm soaking wet. A big thank you to the Bunnings car park for allowing us to do that right here. But that's us. One job down, washing's done.
Yeah, sheets are on the bed.
2 jobs down. I guess we've got to, well, it's 12:30, we might as well go dump the caravan.
Yeah.
Fill it full of water. Hope that it's worked. We've got to get fuel as well, don't we?
Yeah.
Righto, let's do it. Well, here we are. All set up. This beautiful little spot with this beautiful view. Albany, straight across the river there. I believe a national park over there. This is alright, isn't it?
Mm.
This is, what's this place called? Panorama.
Maybe?
This is Panorama Caravan Park. And to be honest, coming in here, it looked nothing special, like a load of permanent caravans in there, and then you come through the clearing and it opens up into this. Absolutely beautiful spot. It's probably even going to be better tonight, isn't it, with all the lights on in Albany. But $30 a night.
Unpowered.
Unpowered. And the host, or the owner, I've forgotten his name, but bloody legend, gave us a rundown of places to see, places to go to, and was just bloody awesome, a load of help.
Someone's ringing me.
But what a spot.
Good day, I'm Carl Anderson. I'm calling in behalf of ABS, Australian Bureau of Statistics. How are you today?
Yeah, wonderful. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking, ma'am. Okay. We're conducting a quick census regarding the standard of living in Queensland. 5 questions only for 15 seconds, okay? Very quick. Are you within the age of 25 to 55?
Yeah?
Married or de facto?
Yeah.
Married?
Yeah.
As a married person, do you own your house or you're holding a mortgage?
Yeah.
Own a house?
Yeah.
Are you currently working full-time or part-time?
Yeah.
Why do we keep getting these calls? Random calls. Yeah?
Oh, I've never had one hung up on me before.
But anyway, after old mate interrupted us to find out if we're living in Queensland or what's going on, we're going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. We're now in Albany.
Yes, lots to do.
Lots to do. From, like I said, old mate at the front there who owns this or runs this, I'm not too sure, completely forgotten his name already, has given us a whole heap of stuff to do, a big list to look at. But we're going to end this episode here and I guess pick it up in the morning. Hopefully the weather's cleared up and we get to look around Albany. Anyway, tonight we're going to see the Travelling Deans, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So we're going to end this video here. But thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. A little look around
Bremer Bay.
Bremer Bay, probably one of my favourite spots, Bremer Bay. Bloody awesome little spot, just loads of flies. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, guys.
Cut.
What?
So here is a load of different beaches here in Bremer Bay, all spread out all over the place. Oh, well, he's on. Yeah.
Yeah, but you can't ever stay on. You're obviously, I don't get it. Like, you're obviously always going to come off because there's an end to the wave. You don't have an answer for me, do you?
Pile back in the car, come on.
Are we going to try?
Yep. The car's just come out of nowhere. So we're guessing.
Who's ringing you?
I don't know.
You have a girlfriend? How's
Ooh, what's that thing?
that? What is that?
This is, what's this place called?
Panorama.
Panorama.